In a significant development, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren stated that the first phase deportation of illegal immigrants has been successfully completed, with 38 individuals existing in Manipur today. The Chief Minister, in his social media account X, posted that 38 Myanmar nationals have been safely deported from Moreh to Myanmar today. Including these 38 individuals, a total of 77 illegal immigrants have been handed over to Myanmar in the first phase. Besides, one Indian national was also brought back from Myanmar in the handing over ceremony. The Chief Minister further stated that the state government is continuing to identify illegal immigrants, and at the same time, biometric data are being recorded. He added that a significant milestone in securing integrity of nation's borders and protecting the rights of its citizens has been reportedly achieved.